It is impossible to just pass by a 40-meter tower, especially when you have already climbed up, and when you really want something, you have to pay a double price. Everything is expensive on the tower, my balloon dealer. Okay, a huge balloon. A huge balloon, like really huge balloon. Just check it. Ten liters of water. Somewhere there is a trampoline, well, down there, and a height. Guys, what do you think will happen? What are your bets? Okay, let's just do that. Holy that was incredible. I thought it would burst right on the trampoline, but it was a really cool jump. How did you like that, by the way? And guys, I bought a new trampoline and my brother wants to jump on it. Wanna see that? Tell me in comments. And as usual, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.